baby, oh baby, oh. Another set of Pathfinder headlights, 1999 to 2004. This is now my fourth set that I've made. This one is by far my favorite. We've got the square D2S Morimoto projector lens assembly, along with the Apollo 1.0 square shroud. As you can see, it fills up the housing much better than previous versions using the 2.5-inch lens, because this is a 3-inch lens. This is now my fourth set that I've done. For comparison, this is the square mini Gatling shroud on a Acme H1 projector. So as you can see, there's a pretty decent, respectable size difference there. I really like this one because it fills up the housing much better. And then to see the actual light output, hold on for 1 second. There we go. Whee! It's gorgeous. We did the pure white on this, 5500 Kelvin, Morimoto. These little XB35s. And if I go up here, whee, it's not be drunk light. There you go. This is during the day, man. So it's pretty bright. It's beautiful. I love the D2Ss. This is my first time working with a square D2S too, so I was really excited about that. If I'm doing the same thing time and time again, there's no fun, there's no learning. And for me, every single headlight set that I've built now has been different in some regards. And I love it. Hey, did I mention that I love it? Because, yeah, I love this stuff. All right, well, this is 13 with Superior Mobile by 13. Holla at your boy if you want some headlights and stuff. Instagram, Facebook, blah, blah, blah. All right, bye.